So we got an idea about its hiring procedure. So now let's put a spotlight on its internship. If they are giving internship, we can mention about the internship. And coming to the CTC part, Abhilash. So what is the expected CTC for a fresher prospective? Mention the range, Abhilash.
Yeah, range would be 3.5 LPA to 4 LPA.
Okay. Bond is two
Yeah,
years, right?
2 years, 2 years bond. Yeah.
So individual break the bond. What will be
Yeah.
the penalty charges, Abhilash? Any idea on that?
Charges would be they'll be taking as the training amount.
Hmm.
Like training will be for 2 months.
Hmm.
They'll be taking 2 months salary or something. Even I'm not sure about that.
Month salary. Okay.
Yeah,
So no internship, Abhilash?
no internship. They'll be training for around something 3 or 4 months.
Okay. Hmm. So from the day
Then
one,
after that,
ah,
yeah. Then after that, they'll be dividing, filtering us based on our skill set and everything. We
okay.
have different groups over there.
Hmm. Okay.
Voice process, chat process, and
All right.
everything.
So how is the working mode, Abhilash? Is there any night shift, general shift, like how second shift? Like how is the working mode as of now, Abhilash?
Yeah, currently we are working for USA client. It's
Hmm.
completely night shift.
Hmm.
If they are working for any different country, it would be a day shift.
Okay. You need to go.
Yeah, and
Is it hybrid, Abhilash? How is it currently?
hybrid, I'm not sure about that because currently I came to Bangalore on Friday, and Friday was my first day.
Okay. Nice man. Okay.
Yeah, and tomorrow we are gonna go ahead and take induction. Few
Next.
HRs will be taking us induction.
All right. Chalo
Yeah,
then.
the few employees mentioned that it would be totally work from home, but after few days, like if the employee is too good, then they
Hmm.
can provide you work from home for one month or 2 months based on their requirement. But it will be a complete work from home.
All right. Chalo then. So cab facility will be given, Abhilash. How is it?
Yeah, cab facility, food facility will be provided, but we need to pay 1,000 rupees for cab facility,
Okay. Hmm.
and half of the amount will be paid by company, and half of the amount will be paid by us.
All right. You
And
mentioned
yeah,
HR asked you to relocate to the Bangalore location. Correct.
yeah.
So
Mm.
accommodation facility was given from the company and Abhilash.
Yeah, yeah. Currently, I'm taking this from the accommodation as well.
Okay.
It's they'll be giving us for 7 days.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Nice.
Yeah. Then after that, we need to move to different hostel or something.
All right. Super. So what else we can add, Abhilash? So which could be helpful for the audience viewers who are preparing for iOPEX. What do you want to suggest? Any tips from your end, Abhilash?
Yeah, I would recommend candidates for the candidates who are not good at coding, who yet coding. I would recommend them. Then after their graduation, they need to undergo networking training. We have many institutes in Martali. If they choose networking rhinos, I've taken a course over there, networking rhinos.
Okay. Hmm.
It was duration was 3 months.
Okay.
I learned many things over there,
Okay.
and we have done a project. I'm involved in the project.
Hmm.
Due to that, I got confident regarding this networking.
Super. Super.
Then after that, yeah, even they were trying to give assistance, and they were sending the mail regarding job openings.
Hmm. Okay.
Mm. Yeah, I would recommend freshers who are not interested into coding, then they can choose this networking. This would be a perfect role for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So agree with that. And adding to Abhilash inputs, guys, while applying for the any domain, whether it is a development, whether it is a customer support, just look into the job description. Okay, according to that, you can prepare your CV and upload on the portal. And Abhilash mentioned that since the role is related to the customer support, he networking. So he updated his CV according to the networking skill set. That's the main reason why his CV got shortlisted. And if I updated in the backend and the developer, it may got rejected. So make sure about
Mm.
your CV is sync with the job description. That's one input from my end. And I agree with Abhilash. Like if you are not okay to do I mean, pursue your career in the coding domain, you can go with the networking. But there will be a basic level of coding, but majority won't be there. So you can just do some certifications like Kali, the Linux, and you can just upgrade into cyber security and do some certifications, and that you can pursue the career. And I think we covered pretty much everything, Abhilash. So
Yeah,
if I have any update from Abhilash in future, so definitely we're gonna do part two of this video. And Abhilash, thanks a lot, man,
yeah,
for taking time and joining us today.
yeah, yeah. No worries. But even I can help you. Like if someone are looking for any opportunity or something,
Okay,
uh,
definitely.
like actually, I know the pain of unemployment. Yeah, once in a while I'll be opening that iOPEX careers.
Mm,
If there are any opportunities, I'll be posting them onto my Instagram or something.
definitely.
And even I'll be sharing my employee ID and my full name, what I have mentioned in that company.
Okay.
They can use my employee ID and they can apply the opportunities so that HRs will be considering that.
All right. Let's do one thing,
Yeah,
guys. If you want to apply on the IOPEX, just ping me, and I will direct you towards Abhilash, and you guys can connect and you can take it forward. And I'll be attaching Abhilash's LinkedIn profile in the description. And guys, we have started a small startup. If you want to explore, a link is given in the description. And if you're not a subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and subscribe. Abhilash, thanks a lot, man, for taking time and joining us today.
yeah, yeah, no worries. I'm following you since I guess during my college days.
Okay.
Like I really appreciate your consistency because many YouTubers they start their YouTube for around 1 month. They'll be leaving that aside. There'll be no update or no nothing. I really appreciate your efforts and consistency. That's two matters because before attending this IOPEX interview, I've seen your that Danya. I think Danya. Her name is Danya.
Then, yeah.
I've gone through that IOPEX in this thing. How was the interview and everything?
Okay.
Even I tried to note that aside, and I've prepared few things. Even
That's
that got help for me.
helpful.
Yeah,
I mean, was it helpful, Abhilash? The
yeah. It was helpful because I was not sure about that rounds. Then after seeing that, I got idea. This is networking based company.
okay.
Yeah, that helped me too much. If I search something IOPEX careers, I can't find anything.
Okay.
Like if I search that IOPEX, your video was the first one.
Uh,
Yeah,
Appreciate,
then
man. Means a lot for your inputs and encouragement. Means a lot. And definitely, whatever possible from my end, I will be interviewing candidates and contributing to the community. And you are also a part of that. And appreciate you, Abhilash, for taking time and sharing your experience
yeah,
with all.
yeah,
Appreciate, man.
yeah, yeah. No worries. Yeah,
And yeah, guys, if you have any queries, make use of YouTube comment section. And I think we covered pretty much everything. And until then, see you in the next video. Take care.